Welcome to our YouTube channel, dear subscriber. Today we'll be looking at a trick. It's a slide PowerPoint that is a bit tricky and makes your audience, stay glued to the presentation from the beginning to the end. If you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please kindly do so by clicking the subscribe button and also turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first to see our video when next we drop it. Without so much ado, let us dive into today's activity. As usual, we should always leave our slide blank, let the layout be blank. Then what we want to do is we are going to be introducing members of staff the category according to their cadre. So today what we'll be using is circle shape, and we are going to be inserting pictures with their corresponding detail. But before then, just want to format our background by right clicking on the slide, and let's go to solid. Let's do a solid. I'm just going to make it a bit dark, just something like this. Alright, you can also just bring it down a bit, just reduce the size a bit, something like this. Alright, so we are going to be inserting our images. Just hold on, let me insert our images that we'll be using. Alright, just have our images inserted. Then let's try and separate it one after the other. Okay, so we might just want to do this by selecting it one after the other. Let's say select this and go to crop and say crop to shape. Then we'll be selecting a circle. Alright, so we might just want to change the fill of our inserted circle. Let's change it to this. Alright, then we might just want to bring down our image like this. Just like this. So we'll be doing the same thing to the rest. Crop. So having cropped this to different shape, the shape is a function of what you want. I am just cropping them to circles and cropping them to circles. So what you want to do is you want to align them. Just do this first. Select all. Go to arrange. Go to align horizontally. So you are aligned horizontally. So what you want to do now is take every one of them. Let's just say take it out such that this is this looks like this. Then you might just want to then come with a text box. Or rather, let us go the way of the last. So let's just come with a text box and say introducing our big guys. Then just want to format it as usual. My favorite is the font. Alright, I think I'm cool like this. Then I want to set it to ready. Alright, I just want to format this text more by coming here to do a gradient fill. No, sorry, text. Let's go back to the shape first. Say no fill. Say text. The gradient fill. Excellent. Very nice one. Like this. Yeah, introducing our big guys. Okay, well, I just want to duplicate the slide. Duplicate the slide. Okay, after which just have to take this away. Take this away. Don't worry, we are still going to add addition to that. Take it away. Or delete it. Then you want to bring this very one here, and what you want to do is to transform it to the original shape by expanding it this way. Expanding it this way. Let it fit. Alright, then come with your text box. Say see you will connect this. So I'm format it, take it to the center, give it this, paste it, paste the front, paste it. Alright, so mine want to just paste this bit. Okay, and I just want to give it different color. Let's say the color of the background. Okay. Alright, just want to do this. Then these guys, and just want to move them in like this, so that the next on the line will be visible, even if not yet active. This, then just want to duplicate and do the same for the rest of the pictures. So having done this, we're just going to do one last thing. We're going to duplicate this slide. And we're going to take away everything in this slide. So we are coming in with our text. If you watch our previous videos, if you have not watched it, you can go back and watch it. We're going to bring in one of the picture idea, our slide idea from the previous design we have done, which is what? Text. So we are going to be doing that in a jiffy. So from our previous video, we have done this before and we are repeating it again. Alright, I think we have come to the end of our design, so let's just do a review and see what we have at the end. But remember, you still need to help us share it to as many as possible, so that many can have access to the same information we have access to. And we are thanking in anticipation for doing this. Follow us, like us, drop a comment, let us know how we are doing. Thank you, as we just do a review of our design for today. Okay, introducing our big guys. Alright, isn't this lovely? Yeah, I think got it right. Alright, this is wonderful. So thank you very much, and See you in our next